or welcome if you are new here. Today we are doing a BoxyCharm DropShop haul. Yes, I did make two orders. One a very large order and one a very small order.
Shop it when it drops.
Hello, if you are new here, my name is Jennifer. This is my husband, Aaron. I do lots of things related to makeup. This is a makeup and a skincare haul. I do hauls. I do a lot of subscription box unboxings with my husband, and I do talk about mental health issues as well. If you are into any of that, then I would love it if you would hit subscribe and join my channel and hit that notification bell so that you're notified anytime that I upload a new video. So
let's open some boxes.
Okay, let's open the small box first. I think there is only like 2 items in this. It has been a hot minute, so I don't even remember what I ordered. So yeah, there are 2 things.
It's been hot all day.
It is
week.
a very hot day.
All month.
And it's only the morning time. In fact, I'm gonna drink some water. Aaron's already drinking. Show him what you're drinking, Aaron.
You're making me happy.
Oh, I can smell it from here. Okay. The first thing I got, it was
Some sort of pencil.
yeah, it's an eyeliner pencil. It was recommended by one of you guys, one of you gals. It is from Araceli. It is an eyeliner pencil, and it is in the shade, it is called Ojos Perfectos Gel Pencil Liner in the shade Olive. Oh, very pretty color. I got the lights turned up right today, so I don't know if you can see that or not, but I'm going to be using this in an upcoming collab that I have upcoming. Okay, and I bought some brightening dark circle eye cream from Ren Clean, whatever that means, skincare.
All the other ones are dirty.
There we go. I'm sorry, if you're new here, I have very shaky hands. This is what the component looks like.
Do they have Stimpy too?
Ren and Stimpy.
Mm-hmm.
How many of y'all remember them? Can you read that?
Which part? Some tiny, tiny print there. Products that respect your skin and our planet. Elderberry flowers extract to brighten skin and reduce the appearance of dark circles. Collagen to improve luminosity.
That's very thick.
And evenness of skin tone. And of course, our favorite, the one, the only, hyaluronic acid.
Of course.
To rehydrate and smooth eye areas. Please recycle vegans. Oh, I'm sorry. Please recycle. Vegan. Sorry.
Recycle those vegans.
Don't recycle the vegans.
Okay, I was just looking for some good daytime eye cream. If you have a lot of subscription boxes, you would get a lot of eye creams, but I'm going through mine pretty fast. Okay, onto the bigger box.
Little box.
They packed it up good. Okay, for makeup, I got the Violet Voss Sunkissed Summer eyeshadow palette. So I decided to order the other choice that they had, which was the Sahara Nights palette. which was an all shimmer palette from Eloise.
All shimmer all the time.
So
That is shimmery.
I just thought I would get that. I have a couple of all matte palettes, so I thought that would be nice. Let me do some swatches. Don't worry, I won't. Oh, these are very nice.
I'll take this stuff out for you, then I can put the trash in the box.
Okay.
I'm helping.
Those are some swatches right there. Okay. It gets brighter before it gets worse before it gets better. Okay. So these are what they look like right there. Very nice. There's some trash.
Hooray.
And then I got, this is a repurchase. It is the Hey Honey Sweet Treat Wild Berry and Honey Yogurt Recovery Mask. I really enjoy this a lot. Let me know if you have tried this before. And then I have the, what? Santorini, okay, this is the chorus. If I can get it open. This is the, it doesn't say chorus, okay, there it says. Santorini Grape, Poreless Skin Cream, Salicylic Acid. There's no, oh my gosh, now that is tiny print on there.
I don't really want you to read it.
Try to read it. That is what.
Ooh, some of it's in Greek.
Okay, that's too reflective.
I can't even attempt that. Poreless Skin Cream, a lightweight cream that clears the way for poreless skin with antioxidant-rich Santorini Grape for
that
balance
smells really good.
all-day hydration. Let me smell it. Oh, that does smell pretty good. Powered by Santorini Grape extract from the volcanic ash in which it grows. Rich in antioxidants and condensed tannins that help to remove excess oil and reduce the appearance of pores. Salicylic acid, a BHA that exfoliates by removing dead skin cells, unclogging and retaining pores. Use after cleansing. Apply to the face and neck, avoiding the eye area. May contain traces of wheat / nuts, suitable for vegetarians / vegans. Dermatologically tested, 90.8% natural origin content made in Greece.
Oh, you can read that?
The power of volcanoes. There's some plants there.
Okay, I think everything is skincare. This is the only. Oops, this is the only.
Just fling it anywhere.
That's the only makeup item I got.
Sassy.
The next thing I got was from Keith Self-Care. It is the Let Me Glow Illuminating Serum. Let me glow. Let me glow. Where did I get this? Read about it.
You wanted to glow, obviously. I mean,
that is.
Make you the only beauty standard is your own. Let your inner glow show with this hydrating, priming serum and a sheer golden tint that complements all skin tones.
Oh, it's a priming.
Helps brighten, plump, and smooth the look of skin while imparting a subtle, natural illumination, alone or under makeup. Routine to ritual. Shake gently and apply 1-2 pumps to moisturize skin using a fingertips or brush to blend. Get it used alone for an even natural glow or as a smooth luminous bake prior to applying makeup to complete the ritual.
Her stuff always says the ritual.
To complete the
Smells
ritual.
good.
To complete the ritual, recite the affirmation during application. And what is the affirmation? You give yourself permission to glow. There's a little pyramid over it. That must be the affirmation. Do you? Do you give yourself permission to glow? Say it.
I'm going right now.
Say it. No, say it.
No,
say it, or the ritual isn't complete.
No, that
and
sounds
they'll
very
consume
cult-like.
your soul.
No, it sounds very cult-like.
Are you trying to disrupt the ritual? Fine. Yeah. being on your head.
Does it have niacinamide in it? Yeah, that's why I
out
got
from
it.
other dimensions and grab your face and eat it.
I got it because
This is why.
I got it because it has niacinamide in it, and it has rose water.
Well,
That's what I'm smelling.
It's okay. That's okay then.
I'm smelling the rose water. Okay, it has niacinamide in it. Can you open this? Okay, there's where I got it. This is from Zoo of the Gods called Fuji Collagen with Vitamin Mask. I think they got these in the Lux box. Yeah. I'm not going to open it. It's
Fuji.
Well, yeah, I'm going to open it.
It's a party in the tropics. Wow. Okay. See, this is good. This will help counterbalance the corrupted ritual.
Oh, that smells so good.
Fuji is blessed by a Buddhist monk.
Yeah, I heard about
to
that.
inspire nourishment of the soul, rest, replenish, and repeat.
You think they just found some Buddhist monk on the street?
You think they bless it in batches or in individual containers? I bet they do it at the batch level. That would be a lot more efficient.
That almost smells like cotton candy or something.
Probably they just got one of the employees and just had them go through, whatever correspondence course that you need to be the least, the laziest version of a Buddhist monk that you can manage.
What are the directions there?
With clean skin and a clear mind.
When did
Generously lather onto your face and neck. Wash off with warm water after 10 minutes. Because that way, see, if it doesn't work right, it's because you did it wrong. You didn't have a clear mind. You disrupted the ritual, and now you're paying the price.
When did skincare become so spiritual? Oh yeah, this was not a
because that way it can be more expensive.
That's for sure.
I mean, the Buddhist monks aren't free, Blessings don't come cheap.
This was another repurchase. I got this last month in May in the premium box, and I'm going to keep repurchasing this every month. I swear, as long as they have it. It's the Elemis Superfood Midnight Facial. I highly recommend this if you see it
Midnight.
in DropShop.
Does this also have some sort of ritual?
I don't know. Let's find out.
Apply to cleanse dry skin every night or a minimum of twice weekly as a spoiling skin treat. Treat your skin.
Yeah.
With contact with eyes occurs, rinse thoroughly. Do not eat.
It says Superfood, though.
Do not eat.
But it says Superfood.
Do not eat. This is a cosmetic. Made in England.
What does all that say?
These are different versions of the directions, I guess.
Oh, in different languages?
Yeah.
And lastly, I got from the Serum Institute is exfoliating pads.
I don't think this has been blessed by anybody. This is karmically neutral, so you don't have to worry about it conflicting with anything else.
These are 50 treatment pads. It says transport. Oh, this came with a booklet.
Now it's gone. Wow. Got some nimble toe work there.
Oh, and this is just all their products.
Collect them all.
I have their Boost Warming Mask.
And who is that blessed by?
I don't know. Let's find out.
Okay. Oh, that's not good. Don't use that. Smooth pad over clean face, neck, and upper chest after using nourishing cleanser. Soft cotton pads infused with MDT5 TM. Exfoliate dead cells and skin surface, unclogging blocked pores while delivering highly engineered vitamins, thus improving resiliency, hydration, and encouraging cell renewal. Keep out of reach of small children.
Not blessed.
Will not transport small children.
I keep smelling that rose water. Okay, so I bought a lot of my skincare from Boxy DropShop. Do you? I'm just wondering. Do you watch Hot Mess Momma? I recommend her. I'll leave a link to her channel down below. She always says that Boxy made her bougie. Because some of these products are very expensive to buy on their own.
How to get you in the door. The first one's free.
So, yeah. Okay. Did you make a BoxyCharm DropShop order? What did you get? Leave it down.
Didn't. I don't know why you keep asking me this thing.
I'm talking to.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I'm talking to my viewers.
Sorry.
Right
I'm
here.
so sorry.
Okay, let me know what you got. Did you get any makeup? Did you get any skincare? I would love to know. How many orders did you make?
Was any of it blessed by any major religions?
Yeah. Are there
You
any
be
rituals
careful.
involved?
You be careful with this stuff because, like, you don't pay attention to the boxes, and you're gonna be like mixing something on your face that was blessed by the Satan, and then something with the Pope.
The Satan.
And then your skin is just gonna burst into flame, and you'll have no one but yourself to blame for it.
Okay, give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Leave a comment, any comment. Let us know how your day is going. And okay, we hope you are having a wonderful, fantastic day out there. And if you are not, we hope something comes along and kickstart your day so that you can have a wonderful, fantastic day out there.
And your day's like, boom!
Don't perform any rituals on your face, please. And okay, if you're having an especially hard time, know that we are thinking about you and sending you out those good vibes.
Is this a ritual right here? It seems like a ritual.
Check me out on my socials. Okay. Check me out on my socials down below. I am on Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. And okay, just remember to stay strong and stay healthy and stay safe out there. And we will see you on our live tomorrow night. It is our live Ipsy versus Ipsy. So be sure to see us there. And okay. All right, just stay well until then. Goodbye.